Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel MTech and one of my videos. So in this video I'm gonna show you how can we make the color black and white in paint. So before starting that, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends, and at the end if you have any question or if you face with any difficulties, you can write down in comment. So friends, if we want to draw something, if we want to color it, you can just pick the color bucket tools and make it the color. If you draw another shape, so come here and draw shape, and you can put it here, and once again you can use this one to make like window, and pick up the color bucket tool and put it here. Okay, so how about if we make this all colors looks like black and white. So here is the solution. Come to file menu and properties, and you can click mark or choose black and white from here. Press it okay. So as you can see, everything like is showing black and white. Or if you want to choose bucket tools to color it, so it will looks like black and white. So, and also if you use brushes, paints, all looks like black and white. So how about if we want it back to looks this one like color, because we want to color something, draw something. You can come to file menu, again properties, and choose color, press it ok, and from here you can again make color, or if you draw a shape, or if you use pen, like you can, as you see, it's become again color. So that was it friends, thanks for watching this video, and at the end if you like this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, and at the end if you have any issues with your computers or with your softwares or hardware, please do not forget to write below in comment section, so I will read it and make a video tutorial for that. Okay, thanks for watching.